Hi everyone, and welcome to week 11 of Writing 213. This week you are going to be finishing up the research problem that is exploring a problem in your field. The due date for that paper is Friday the 11th, and I encourage you to submit early if you can, so that we can start working on the next major project, which is a multimodal project. I don't want you moving forward with the multimodal project until you have finished up the research paper exploring a problem in your field. And if you would like to meet with me about this, I will be in my office hours this week, and you are also welcome to schedule an appointment with me to talk about it. You can also just tag me on questions that you have in your paper. So this week I've included a media bias chart as well as a fun article about new words that were added to the dictionary this year. The final paper assignment is here. And then we're going to start working on a large group workshop for the next paper, which is a multimedia presentation. So you can choose the mode for your next paper, and you can find the assignment posted in week 15. The large group workshop from this week is a narrated slide presentation, so we can't comment on it in a document like we usually do for our workshops. So this time, you're going to view the multimodal project here, and then you're going to comment using the same level of questioning that we've been working on for all of our workshops, which is, tell the reader what's working so far, what kinds of suggestions you might offer in terms of improvement, and what kinds of questions does this presentation generate for you. So you're just orienting yourself to this task and making sure that you're moving in the right direction. Looking at an example will help. I've also posted the work for the next few weeks. The end of the semester is going to come fast. So you'll see that here in week 12, oops, this is out of order, you're going to submit a source summary. You're going to submit the purpose of your paper and the statement of your problem next week. In week 13, I'll ask you for a rationale for your mode, another source summary and review. In week 14, you'll submit your project draft and engage in peer review. And in week 15, you'll submit the final product. I hope you're all doing well. I am all caught up with grading for this class. So if you think you have submitted something that I have not responded to, make sure you email me about that right away to make sure that something hasn't prevented us from being on the same page there. Take care, everyone. Talk to you soon.